Okay, so here I am. I've created my lesson one page, and I highlight the important part of lesson one. I click link, and part one of lesson one is my important part of lesson one. I don't want this to open in a new window, so I just click OK. And here I click save. Save those changes. Now I can click there and go there. Now here's what I want to do. I want to edit my sidebar. I'm going to edit my navigation. I unclick automatically organize my navigation. See how the screen changes there? And there's nothing here yet. Google kind of says, well, fine, if you don't want me to organize your navigation, then you don't get anything. But it's easy to fix. You just click add a page, and the first thing I'm going to add is lesson one. Then I'm going to add part one of lesson one, which is my important part of lesson one. So you see the hierarchy here. I can move lesson one up and down, left and right. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take part one of lesson one and I'm going to move it to the right. Then well, real quick. A sitemap and a recent site activity you can have on there if you want to. You need to make the decision whether or not you want the sitemap. The sitemap will provide students and anybody the ability to see all the lessons on your page, everything on your page, even if you hide it in the menu. So you have to decide if you want them to be able to do that or not. And then you click OK. Now click Save Changes. It tells you it's saved. And then you click Return to Site. Now you notice lesson one is there. And I can click this little arrow and it goes away. I click on lesson one and it pops up with my lesson one page. And I have part one of lesson one. There. Now obviously I don't really have anything to do there. I didn't want to go away, but actually no, I can't cancel that. Yes, I want to discard it. So we're talking here about, very quickly, the 3-click rule. Now if I click here, then I can easily click here to go on to any of the next lessons. Now, let's say I have 3 parts of lesson one. Important part of lesson one is the first part. I can put a link on that page to the next part, and I can also have links to the next parts through here. The idea is that we never want to click more than 3 times deep into a page before we find what we're looking for. So lesson one, all of the parts of lesson one can be listed over here. The main page of lesson one can give us that feel of overview of a lesson. Hello students, thanks for taking the class, important part of lesson one, and go on through the rest of the lesson. Any external links to other websites should kind of be clearly marked. And that's all I can think about right now.